Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with Nadine West. If you're not familiar, this is a monthly style. Well, it's not necessarily monthly. You can choose to have it monthly, bi-monthly, or whenever you return it, they send you a new one. Styling subscription. So basically, you pay nothing. Henry's here, and he's going to. Oh no, he's so naughty. Come here, come here, come here. I hung this fabric up because we're in my space, but it's so gross. So I hung this up to try to make it not so gross, and Henry's gonna try to knock it down. Hey, come here, come here, come here, buddy. So anyway, basically you pay for shipping, and that can be applied to whatever you decide to keep for the month. They do send you return shipping. You just put it all back in this bag and send it back to them at no cost to you. And then obviously you pay for everything you keep. And then there is a discount if you keep everything. So also, FYI, my daughter has a snake. The snake is out more than it's in its cage. My cats hate the snake. The snake hates the cats. Every time the cats come in the room, this is like a carnival of folly. Can you please not? No. They're like watching the snake right now. The cats are just like wrapped at the cage, and the snake is like such a so weird. Anyway, this one is kind of a hit or miss for me. However, I will say that there have been some really wonderful items that I received. And as far as budget, I do want to start getting Stitch Fix again, because I feel like I'm at a point now where I can kind of invest in clothing. I feel like my size is maintainable, and like I don't have little kids anymore. You know what I mean? So I feel like that's something we can start to do on the channel. Anyway, my cats are fighting. I might cut this all out and maybe restart. I don't know. Maybe we'll just roll with it. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, just drinking my green tea. Okay, so anyway, let's get in here and see what they sent. One of you guys had just said in like a video, they just commented and were like, they sent you all the same style. And I'm like, they do that. And I'm like, it's like they're trying to see like what color I like. I don't know. Like I like the color orange. Like, I don't know. Anyway, all right. So here's some socks. By the way, if you know me, you know I love fun and funky socks. So these are cool florals, and they're gray. I love gray, and it has little pops of orange in. So check out my socks today, guys. These said world's softest socks. So my husband bought them for me. And he said to the lady in the Hallmark store, if these aren't the softest socks in the world, can I return them? And she said, you'd probably have to contact the company. So yeah, she wasn't playing her game. But anyway, he thought he was funny. Anyway, all right, they always send jewelry. You can't opt not to get jewelry, which I kind of hate. But there's a turquoise giant like pendant earrings that I'm not a fan of those. These like kind of citrine-esque earrings. Those are kind of pretty. And then another necklace. This one's a little less odd. Oh, it matches the earrings. Yeah, that's actually really pretty. I like that. I like the set, but I never keep those because I just don't need jewelry. So, all right. So first up here, I have to take this off. I'm hot. My daughter's room gets really warm. That's where I'm filming. I took half of her room because she disobeyed. She did something very naughty. And so I took half her room as a punishment. It's a huge, by the way, just so we're all clear, it's a huge room, but I wanted her to have to share her privacy with me because of what she did, the thing that she did. And so now it was a way to, I know I'm going to get heat no matter what I do. So I'm just going to be honest. She did something that she shouldn't have. And so I took half her bedroom. Now she has a huge room. She's in the basement. But this way I felt like it was fair. I know I'm like rambling, but why not? We'll just have a talking video where we chit chat about life. Parenting is hard, and my daughter is 14, and we're at a phase where she's pushing the limits, and particularly with me because I am the nice one, and I feel like she takes advantage of that. So her having to share her space. By the way, I'm only ever down here. This is a small area. I'm only ever down here while she's at school, so it's not really that big of a deal. But in her mind, her teenager mind, it was a big deal. And, I mean, she has right now, even the room that she has, like the space that she has is bigger than the bedroom I had grown up. So FYI, there you go. Anyway, the punishment fit the crime. FYI, everybody. I don't know. I'm going to get heat no matter what I do, but I might as well be honest then. All right. So first we have this top with the lacing. I don't like this. I'm not like chesty. Maybe if I had bigger, you know, nature wasn't that kind to me. I mean, it was pretty kind, but not that kind. Anyway, I like the fit of the bottom though. It's kind of got like a dress vibe going on, like a peasant medieval type feeling. And then they do always have a packing slip in here that has the retail value of the items as well. So there's that. All right, what's this thing? Everything's like really stretchy. This is a hooded cardigan. I don't know if I love or hate this. I feel like a witch. I feel like this goes over the medieval thing and you just wear it to the Ren Fair and look at that. Boom, I'm ready to go. Just call me Voldemort. Just kidding. Don't call me Voldemort. Can't call me Voldemort. Anyway, all right. It is really soft though. Yikes. All right. All right, so there's that. I'm not really swayed by either of those items. And also, another thing I noticed, like, so I shop at Gabe's a lot. And if you've ever shopped at Gabe's, you know that they just have the best bargains. If you look hard enough, you will find good things. Like, now you have to be careful because some things have stains and some things are ripped. But you just do that. You assess. Expect to spend time there. But once you see the prices there, you look at this and be like, I could find that at Gabe's for less. It's nice, the convenience, but if you like to actually go out and shop, they have sent these pants to me so many times. I have not kept them yet. And so I don't know really what they're thinking. These are like those fur lined, which are really nice and soft, but like, all right, Nadine. Good. Also, FYI, I always insert pictures of me trying everything on at the end of the video. So we'll do that at the end. And then I list down in the description the items that I decide to keep. If I keep anything, a lot of months I really don't, to be honest. All right, then we have a pair of stretch leggings. I don't know how I feel about this. Like, I feel like, do you remember like when you have maternity pants? That's what they remind me of. These are from a company called Sheila Rose. I don't know. And they're like ripped. I don't know. I feel like I'm over this type of leg. I don't know. I'm moving on, you know? I think styles are changing. I don't think I want that kind of stuff in there. Here's our slip with all the retail values. We'll go over that at the end. I feel like so far I don't like anything in this. All right. Oh, I take it back. Oh, this is so pretty. All right, this is a beautifully soft, for a shirt, like a blouse, this is so soft. Oh, I love navy and white. I love navy and gold too. And it's vertically striped, which makes me look taller, and I will take it. I love these types of shirts though. I love that. Can't wait to see it on me. Better look good. Sending it back. No, I will. All right. Another one of these pants from this company. You really must be tied to Show. That's the name of them. These are belted though, but like they're still a legging. It's a belted legging. Like a belt's not gonna change my mind. Are these fur lined as well? No, these are not. That something I'll talk about too once we get to that slip is like how they label the items in the bag. Like it can be very like, confusing. All right. Final item. I don't feel like I got a very lot this month. Oh, is this another hooded? See? Oh no, this is one of those really long turtlenecks. I think, do you guys want to hear one of my radical theories? I am a spiritual person. However, if I believed in reincarnation, in a past life, I would have been like strangled or choked because I hate anything on my neck. Like, even just to be like, oh no, stop. So there's my radical theory. I really don't. I do wear turtlenecks, but like I'm always like, but maybe it won't be too bad. I don't know. What brand is this? This is also Sheila Rose. I do love gray though, and I kind of like that it's like an athletic type top, and it's very like comfy and casual feeling. But anyway, let's go through the values. The top, the black top, that would have been the hooded, the one with the hood. It's $29.99. Too rich for my blood. The charcoal top, that's the one I just had, $35.99. The button down navy, ooh, that's only $15.99. I might keep it. The crisscross long sleeve top, the burgundy one that's like very Ren Fairy, is $25.99. The bottoms, the black bottoms, are $11.99. I'm gonna guess those are the ones with the belt, not the fur line, because the fur line ones seem to be a little more expensive, which makes sense, right? The bottom Venetia that's black is $20.99. See, and then the dark blue bottoms are $36.49. Wow, that's expensive. The Eye of the Tiger earrings, which are those pretty ones that go in the set, $12.99. And then the Lucida silver earring, those little flowers, $7.99. The Eye of the Tiger necklace is $24.99. The Maryland silver necklace, which is that big pendant with the turquoise, is $42.99. And then the socks are $21.19. Oh, those are going back. $21.19 for socks? You cry. Anyway, I'll try everything on, and I'll let you guys know down in the description what I kept. You can look at the pictures right here.